The financial foundations, building wealth, one brick at a time in a world driven by consumerism and instant gratification. Creating sustainable wealth often feels like climbing an impossibly steep mountain. But what if I told you that building wealth is less about making big leaps and more about laying a foundation, brick by brick? Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your financial acumen, understanding the core principles of wealth creation is crucial. 1. Budgeting, the blueprint for financial success. Imagine constructing a house without a blueprint. Chaotic, right? Similarly, managing money without a budget is a recipe for financial instability. A budget isn't restrictive, it's empowering. It shows where your money goes and how you can redirect it toward your goals. Key steps to crafting a budget: track your income and expenses for at least 3 months. Categorize spending into needs, e.g., rent, groceries, and wants, e.g., dining out, subscriptions. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. By mastering budgeting, you are essentially creating the foundation on which your financial future will rest. 2. Saving, the cornerstone of wealth creation. The mantra, "pay yourself first," is timeless. Saving isn't just about putting money aside, it's about creating opportunities and security. Tips for effective saving: set up an emergency fund that covers 3-6 months of expenses. Automate savings to ensure consistency. Open a high-yield savings account to maximize returns. Think of saving as the cornerstone of your wealth-building journey. It might seem small at first, but over time, it grows into something substantial. 3. Investing, the accelerator of growth. While saving preserves wealth, investing multiplies it. However, diving into investing without understanding the basics is like driving a car without knowing how to steer. Golden rules of investing: start early. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments grow significantly over time. Diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Think long-term, avoid emotional decision-making by focusing on long-term goals instead of short-term market fluctuations. For instance, a $10,000 investment in a diversified portfolio with a 7% annual return can grow to over $76,000 in 30 years. The earlier you start, the better. 4. Managing debt, the silent wealth killer. Debt can either be a tool or a trap, depending on how you use it. High-interest consumer debt, like credit card balances, is one of the biggest barriers to wealth creation. Strategies to tackle debt: focus on high-interest debt first, debt avalanche method, or pay off smaller balances first for momentum, debt snowball method. Negotiate for lower interest rates or consolidate loans for manageable repayment. Avoid taking on unnecessary new debt unless it contributes to your wealth, e.g., student loans, mortgages. Managing debt effectively keeps your financial foundation strong and prevents cracks from forming. 5. Continuous learning, the wealth multiplier. The financial world evolves rapidly, with new opportunities, risks, and tools emerging all the time. Staying informed can give you an edge in managing and growing your wealth. Ways to stay educated: read finance books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Follow reputable financial news outlets and podcasts. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. The more you understand, the better your decisions will be. Conclusion: building wealth, brick by brick. Building wealth doesn't require winning the lottery or earning a 6-figure salary. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. By budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, and continuously educating yourself, you are laying the groundwork for a prosperous future. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Start today, one brick at a time.